Hello everybody, my name is Lorna Bennett and I'm a children's book illustrator, and today we are going to create some characters. We're going to use the same head shape, but we're going to play around with the size, the shape and placement of the eyes, the nose and mouth, different kinds of hair to make totally different characters. So what I'm going to get you to do is draw 4 boxes on your paper. They don't have to be perfect. See, mine are kind of crooked. We're just having fun, and whatever you draw is just fine. Okay, I think the first character that we're going to draw is going to be kind of a robot, and we're going to do the eyes by drawing a sideways capital letter H. Now, if you ever want to make a character look tired or grumpy or out of sorts, you want to show just the very bottom of their pupil and iris, so the eyelids are hanging low. Or you can draw some bags under this robot's eyes as well. Now, the next thing we're going to do is some really serious eyebrows, some grumpy, angry eyebrows. Now, I've never seen anybody with eyebrows quite this heavy, but it's fun to draw. Okay, so the next thing we're going to draw is what I call a grimace or a sneer. This is a very grumpy robot. And what I used to love to do when I was young is black out teeth in pictures of my characters. Don't ask me why, but it's just fun to do it. Now, if you want to make this character look even more grumpy, you could draw a little tornado above its head. You could draw steam coming out of its ears. Put a little lower lip there. Now there's a grumpy robot. Okay, our next character, let's make it totally different. Let's make a character that looks very, very surprised. And in order to do that, we want to draw really big, round eyeballs. Oops, I'm going to have to thicken that up. Sometimes when you make a mistake, you don't have to erase it. You can just work with it and fix it. So I just made those lines thicker. Okay. Now this person is going to be so surprised they're in shock. Now when a person is badly hurt, they go into medical shock. And what happens is that their pupils get smaller. So let's draw really small little dots in those eyes. Now that character already looks pretty surprised, but what if the hair kind of looked like Albert Einstein hair? And even the hair looked surprised. We could draw some little lines around the eyeballs like this. That would make it look even more surprised. Now you could do all kinds of things with the mouth. You could do a big surprise mouth. You could have the tongue hanging out. But I love the little comical O that helps make a person look really shocked. Oh, I forgot the eyebrows. Let's make the eyebrows jumping right off the head. There. There's a character that looks pretty surprised. Now what we're going to do for our third character is take the eyeballs, turn them into ovals, and we're going to draw them outside the box at the bottom. Which might seem kind of crazy, because what kind of character could this be? It could be a bug, maybe. It could be an alien. We're not sure yet. But what we're going to do is draw a nice pupil with a shiny spot in those eyes. And then we're going to draw some nice big fish lips. Yes, this is a fish. And most fish have dorsal fins. So we're going to draw a dorsal fin. And then we're going to draw some pectoral fins. Now let's see, what else does a fish have? A fish has scales. We'll draw those later. What I want to do here is sort of only done in cartoons because fish don't really blow bubbles. Let's draw a little mouth kind of opening, bubbles going up. And if we add some water, we could make a bubble popping outside the water. So let's draw some nice little scales. Now, something that fish have that not a lot of people think about is nostrils. They have noses, and fish have a very good sense of smell. So let's draw some little noses in there. Okay, now the last box is for you to draw something totally new, totally different, completely unique, that has never been seen before. And I want everybody's to be different. So while you're drawing, I'm going to draw one of my own. There. A very silly picture, because it's fun to draw silly pictures. I want to thank the Young Alberta Book Society for making this video possible. Always sign your work and have a great day.